Guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see that my foundation and everything is already on. I did a makeup tutorial. If you did not watch yesterday's video, go ahead and watch it. This is a different technique, the way how I do my foundation, contour, and all of that good stuff. I did it the celebrity way, the way how celebrity artists do their makeup on a lot of celebrities like Jennifer Lopez, Beyonce, Rihanna, all of that good stuff. I did it their way, and I swear to you, it looks so much different from the way how I normally do my makeup. But if you want to see how I create that and how I do that, watch yesterday's video. But today is going to be about the eyes and the eyes only. So that's the reason why I zoom you guys in. I already I already concealed my eyelid, and I use this one here, which I always use. And I'm gonna go ahead and use the Butter Me Up from ColourPop, and this is the only eyeshadow I'll be using today. And I'll be doing a really simple, glowy, everyday makeup look that you can wear to work, a lunch date, whatever date you want to wear it to, you go ahead and wear that. And it's still Valentine's Day week, so that's the reason why I still have my backdrop here. So I'm gonna go in first, and I'm gonna start with this nice shade down here. This is called Made to Last, and I'm gonna take it onto a flat top brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just fill it in, and I'm gonna put it right into the crease and a little bit above. And I'm just gonna go ahead and work my way up. And when I put it onto the eyelid, it looked kind of like pinkish shade, but it is not into the lid. As you can see, that it looks so much different. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just put it on. And I might be using only either 2 or 3 eyeshadows for this look, because as I said, this is a everyday glowy makeup look. So I'm just going to continue to do this and just make sure that it's all blended together. Okay, so next I'm going to go into a deeper shade, and I'm going to take this one here, but I'm going to take a little bit because it's very, very rich. And this is called Reckless, and I'm gonna take it onto another brush, tap it off a little bit, and I'm only gonna tap it onto the outer corner. As you can see, it is pigmented, and I'm not gonna bring it all the way in, just lightly feather it on onto the lid a little bit and just bring it out. As you can see how it kind of give it a nice dimension. As you can see how it looks so natural already. So I'm going to go back and forth into the other one, and I'm taking that other brush, and I'm only going to blend out the top part, just the harsh line. Okay guys, so now that it's on, I know it look a little bit purpley, but in real life it looked very toned down. Like, you really can't see that it's purple. As I said, my lighting is so bright, so that's why I show more up on camera. So the last shade I'm gonna go into is this nice, let me show you guys. It's this nice one right here. It is called Details. I don't know if you guys can see, but it have a little shimmer in it. And I'm gonna take it onto a flat brush. Never tried this shade before, so let's see how it's gonna go. And I'm just gonna kind of feather it on the lid, just like that. It's a little bit brown, so I'm not gonna put too much, but it have a little shimmer in it. If you could see me in real life, you will see that shimmer onto the lid. So I'm gonna take a little bit. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take a clean brush and just blend it out. Okay, so for So for the bottom, I'm gonna take the first shade right here and I'm gonna mix it with the second one just to smoke it out just a little bit, not a lot. Then if you want, you could put a little bit of highlight into the inner corner. This is optional, but you guys know me already, I'm extra. Okay, so next I'm gonna go ahead and use my mascara, and then I'm gonna pop on a really simple lash from my hair company. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that first. Okay guys, so the lash that I'm wearing is called Island Girl. This is very simple and, you know, cute. It's really good for like an everyday wear, not too dramatic, not too long, you know what I mean? So the next step I'm gonna go into is my lip liner, and I'm not gonna put on a lipstick. I'm only gonna put on like a lip gloss and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go into the ColourPop. This is called Pillow Talk, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just put it on. I know it look kind of weird right now, but when I blend it out with the lip gloss, it will look so neutral. Okay guys, so this is the finished look of the eye makeup. This was really simple to do, as I show you guys how to do it. This is really simple. This is really simple to do, and this is an everyday makeup look for me. This is everyday. Like, you have a little bit of color in it, but it's not too overpowering, and a little bit of shimmer in the center. If you guys, as I said, this is optional, but this is really nice. The lashes is also simple and cute. And yeah, this was simple, easy. I would say it's like a 5 minutes makeup look for the eyes, and you're done. You're out the door, you're on your way to work, a dinner, or a brunch. This is really good for it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to check me out every single day, Monday through Friday, for more video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.